today I'm going to unbox my first reborn, and I'm so excited actually. It's a Summer Rain doll kit by Bountiful Baby, and I bought her from eBay from this good seller actually. She's called Cindy Sales, and she makes good reborns actually, and it was a good deal, so yep. And it arrived on time, which is so amazing because I was so worried. It's my first time ordering from there, and that kind of thing. So it's here, and the package looks good. So let's find out what's inside, and let's see the baby, shall we? So let's start by taking these off. Okay. Okay. Um, okay, the box is opened finally. So I'm not sure if her face is covered. So yeah, we're gonna see. So if it's not covered, I'm gonna cover her so you don't see her, and we'll start seeing her from her legs to her head. So leaving her face to the end. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, just gonna. Okay, just so. Oh my God! I can see her legs. Holy crap! Holy crap! She's so heavy. Okay, that's a pacifier. Oh, look at her. It got a little pink elephant. I don't know if it's so. Yeah, okay, now you can see it. It's so cute, and it's magnetic. It's so cute. Oh, okay, I think that's all. Oh yeah, and her birth certificate from Summer Rain Realborn. Who's it by? Danny. Is it Danny Pratt? I'm not sure, but yeah, look at her. It's so cute. Now coming to the baby. I think there should be a diaper with her. Oh, she's wearing it. Okay. She has some butt. She's quite heavy. Okay. Okay, guys. Can we appreciate those cute small legs? Because they are so cute. Look at the jaw painting. She's full limb, so look at the jaw painting. It's so cute. Look into the hands. Oh my God. Look at her hands. Oh, they're so small and cute. Look at her hands. Oh my God, it's so cute. Look at her. See her other hand. Okay. I'm sorry if this video is creepy. Oh, crabby. But anyways, her nails. I like her nails. They're so cute. Oh my God. Okay. And she's wearing a cute onesie. Let's see. I really want to get her into Christmas onesies, so I need to buy stuff for her. And she's wearing a diaper, yeah. So, ready for the face? We're ready for the face. Oh my God. Oh my god, look at her. Oh, oh my god. Look at her hair. It's a bit messy, but I'm gonna fix it later. But look at her. Her head is quite heavy too. Oh, she's so... Oh my god, she's so cute. She's... I'm gonna cry, guys. She's so amazing. And her name, like... Her name was Angel, like in the website, but it's not written here, so I might change her name though. So I really need to think of names, or you can suggest me a name, like write the name, like, yeah, whatever, write me a good name, and I'm gonna choose one, and I'm gonna make more videos of her. I'm gonna make some more description video of her, so it's coming soon. And just write to me, what do you think about her? She's so gorgeous. This artist did a good job actually. Oh, oh my god. So let's take the pacifier. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's... She's so cute. Oh my god. I can see that one of her eyelashes kind of long, so I think we have to fix that. It's not a problem at all, but you know, all in all, she's so perfect. I like the painting job, honestly. She's so cute. So yeah, so that's all for unboxing video. Yeah, bye.